Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean Specialties. I'm back and I got a new recipe for you guys to try. We are making banana pumpkin muffins. Let's get right into it. I got this recipe from my friend JP's mom. Give a shout out to Miss Rossi. She was so kind to let me use this recipe and send it to me so that I could share it with you guys. So let's get right into it. So for your wet ingredients, you're gonna have 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, and 1 cup of sugar. This is already in this bowl. And then for the rest of your wet ingredients, you're gonna have 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of avocado oil, 2 eggs for my chickens, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now, we're gonna pour that in there. Yeah. Let's pour it in, and then we'll mix. Yeah. Now, time to mix. Now, this is a great snack for just snack, breakfast, if you're going for brunch at someone's house, your friends, and just to have whenever you feel like one. So as this mixes up, then we will get right into the dry ingredients. A couple more seconds. Now, and I think it is about good. Alright, now we're going into the dry ingredients. We have 2 cups of flour already in the bowl. Then we have 2 teaspoons of baking soda. We have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. Now, get a spoon, mix that up. Once this is mixed, then we just pour it into the batter. Just pour it in. There we go. Time to mix. As it's mixing, it's going to combine and it's going to make the batter for the muffins. Now, when you put the muffins in, you want to put it in for 375 for 5 minutes, and then take them back out and put them in for 350 for 17 minutes, so it continues baking. Okay? Is about done. Now, get your spatula. Clear this off. Clean this off so you get most batter you can. There we go. Now, you have to let this rest for 10 to 15 minutes so that it rises and it makes those perfect muffins. Now, I already have a batch ready, so let's show you guys. Here they are. They're looking good. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more of my videos. And bye, guys.